In our new Energy Academy Europe building, we are working together towards the transition to a sustainable energy future. We provide education, conduct research, and foster innovation in the field of energy. This is also reflected in our building. Welcome to the most sustainable educational building in the Netherlands. The guiding principle is to create a natural climate, natural airflows, solar energy, using the earth for heating and cooling, rainwater, all energy from natural elements and with minimum technology. Aligned towards the sun, this remarkable building is ideally positioned. A compact shape with a small surface area to minimize heat loss. A large atrium has been built between the two parts of the building to allow light to enter everywhere. A winter garden, also made of glass, has been added to contribute to natural ventilation. Through smart design, we have created a building with zero emission. More than that, a building that produces more energy than it consumes. It can withstand earthquakes. It uses almost no energy, and it has the highest possible BREEAM score. The building slopes down on the sun side to best capture solar energy and maximize light. The solar panels could cover the entire roof, but by placing the 2,000 panels in a special triangular configuration, we have been able to fit more panels on the roof, capturing 37% more solar energy. This also leaves gaps for sunlight to get through, which reduces the need for artificial light. When needed, energy-efficient LED lighting switches on automatically. A natural flow of outside air runs through the entire building. Fresh air comes in through the winter garden and enters a 200-meter-long labyrinth. This sits below ground so that the air steadily reaches the current ground temperature, moving at a rate of less than a meter per second. This provides cooling in summer and heating in winter. All in all, nature gives us 4 degrees for free. This constant airflow is drawn into the building thanks to the solar chimney at the top, which is the warmest point and creates a draft. This natural ventilation saves about 20% in ventilation energy. The fresh air passes from the labyrinth to the offices, the atrium, and then via the solar chimney to the outside. To ensure a pleasant climate, the CO2 levels in every space are constantly monitored. If they are too high, the mechanical ventilation will function as backup, supplying more fresh air into the space so that you always work in a pleasant climate. It is recommended to leave the air vents open to optimize natural ventilation. We maintain a spring-like climate with an average of 21 degrees throughout the year. And again, here is a chance to improve on energy savings. In winter, the temperature can be slightly below 21 degrees because people dress warmly. And in summer, the temperature can be a little warmer because people dress lightly. The temperature in each room can be manually adjusted by plus or minus 2 degrees. The heating and cooling comes mainly from the ground. 2 water reservoirs are located near the building at a depth of 100 meters. One is for heating and one for cooling. In summer, we pump up the cold water. It absorbs heat in the building. Then we pump back the now warm water into the second reservoir. In winter, this process is reversed. The water is further heated by means of a heat pump, which efficiently converts electricity into heat. This heat is distributed through the building for underfloor heating, which provides 60% of the heating in all the rooms, and to heat the airflow, also through climate ceilings. When needed, we also make use of cool water from the nearby pond. On summer nights, there is additional cooling through a natural process that requires no energy. Cool night air flows through the winter garden, via the atrium, and through the entire building. The next morning, people can start their working day in a cool environment. Rainwater that flows down the sloping roof is filtered and stored in a reservoir. This water is used to water the plants in the winter garden and to flush the toilets. The Energy Academy Europe building, by construction and layout, is a natural environment where knowledge, research and innovation can flourish. So can the residents and visitors, collaborating in a working climate spring-loaded with nature's gifts: light, warmth, coolness, fresh air and water. We have achieved the most sustainable educational building in the Netherlands through intelligent and smart design, while increasing comfort levels for all occupants. We hope this remarkable building will inspire everyone to attain a more sustainable energy future.